Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nasra A. Uyag from PSSW 1A. So, I choose the color black because black is often associated with luxury, sophistication, and formality. It's a timeless color that conveys a sense of exclusivity and high quality. So black also is a versatile color that pairs well with almost any other color, so making it popular choice for backgrounds and base elements in designs. So black can also convey authority, power, and strength, so making it a popular choice for brands aiming to project confidence and reliability. The second color is yellow. So yellow is a bright and energetic color that evokes feelings of happiness, positivity, and warmth. It can grab attention and create a cheerful atmosphere. So yellow is highly visible from a distance, making it effective for catching the eye and creating strong contrast, especially when used with darker colors like black. So, due to its high visibility, yellow is also used in warning signs and signals, so adding a layer of urgency and alertness. The third color is peach. So peach is a soft, warm color that can evoke a sense of calmness, comfort, and approachability. It is less intense than red or orange, but still retains a friendly and inviting feel. So peach is often seen in modern and contemporary designs, so giving a fresh and trendy look that appeals to young audience. So when paired with stronger colors like black and yellow, peach can provide a balancing, soothing effect that prevents the overall design from becoming too overwhelming. Ang pinili kong bigyan ng aking soft basket is yung husband ko kasi siya yung pinaka-special na tao sa buhay ko since nakapag-asawa na ako. Hindi na yung parents ko yung nag-aalaga sa akin. So ngayon, yung asawa ko na yung pumalit sa mga responsibilidad ng magulang ko. So siya yung pinaka-importante at special na tao ngayon sa buhay ko. Saka deserve niya din po dahil todo effort siya, napapagod siya, at saka inaalagaan po ako ng mabuti.